Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to make an Amaretto sour. Perhaps it's your favorite drink or your wife's favorite drink after you want to surprise her when she gets home from work. It's a very easy drink to make, so without further ado, let's get started. Of course, you're going to need a shot glass, you're going to need some real lemon juice, you're going to need a bottle of Amaretto, doesn't necessarily matter what brand, you're going to need maraschino cherries, and you're going to need some sugar and water along with a 1/4 cup. Now, when somebody asks you to mix a drink using ounces or cups or any unit of measurement, that's not necessarily important. What matters is that everything stays proportional to the recipe that you're using. In this case, I like to use a shot glass. It's something that is in everybody's house, and it's the easiest thing to use to measure without really having to think about it, so that's what we're going to use tonight. So we're going to start by making our simple syrup, which is just a 50-50 mixture of water and sugar like I illustrated earlier. So you want to take your 1/4 cup, you want to fill it up a little bit underwhelmingly with sugar, and go ahead and put it in a pot, followed up by some water. Alright, so here comes your water, a slightly underwhelmed 1/4 cup, put that in with your sugar. Now that is a perfect 50-50 mixture. You want to start stirring it. Alright, so as you're stirring the mixture, you want to make sure that the sugar and the water mix nice and evenly. And then you are going to want to turn your heat on high. So go ahead and keep stirring your mixture. And we're going to go ahead and bring that to a boil. In the meantime, you want to get yourself 2 or 3 small ice cubes, put them in your glass. Alright, just a couple of minutes later, and our simple syrup mixture is boiling, so we want to go ahead and turn off the heat. Stir it one final time. And go ahead and take it off the heat. Alright, so then you're going to pour yourself a shot glass and a half of Amaretto sour. Go ahead and pull the cap off of that. 1 1/2. You are going to need 3/4 of a shot glass of the lemon juice that you have. Maybe a little more. There you go. Perfect. Put it in. And then you want to take your clear syrup that you just made, a 50-50 mixture of water and syrup, or water and sugar, and pour it into your drink. And last but not least, go ahead and get yourself a handful of maraschino cherries, at least 3 or 4 of them, that's what we like. And as a specialty touch, we like to pour a little bit of the sugary juice into the drink, just a little bit. And you are all set. Go ahead and stir it up. And you have yourself one delicious Amaretto sour. Cheers!